Hello everyone, I'll be sharing my experience with Tubebuddy so far, and this is my honest review. Okay, so this is the Tubebuddy icon, and it's an extension browser. You just install it on your computer, and once you have installed it, you sign into your channel, click on the channel picture, and then select YouTube Studio and click on go to videos and select the video you want to edit. I was on YouTube for about a year or so and was receiving about 6 or so views per month or per week. So I decided to give Tubebuddy a try. And this is my first video, the Scotch Bonnet video that I used Tubebuddy to upgrade the views. And this is how it has performed so far. And in order for the video to have a chance to do well, make sure that your title and description and tags are the same or very similar to come up in search. Up to about 3 or so weeks ago, Atorodo came in 7th, Rhoda Peppers 1, and Scotch Bonnet Pepper was a 1. Now I'm going to show you at the end. I added some tags, some recommended tags, and I'm going to show you at the end how it has performed since. Those are new tags I added when I went back to the video about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and I'm going to show you at the end the performance of it since. Another benefit is the best practices checklist, and there I have some to show you. This is limited with the free version that I have. Now, one of the most important feature of this Tubebuddy is the create thumbnail, because you can create thumbnails from a still in the video, or they give you suggestions, or you can upload a picture. So apparently thumbnails are very critical in YouTube life. So you have to create a thumbnail that's eye-catching, that's gonna let people click on your video. And this is critical. Make sure that your thumbnail has the same words that your title has, as well as that's in the description. You're also allowed to search, yet minimally, in the explore tag there. I explored Scotch Bonnet Pepper, the title, to see if it's going to do well, if it's going to be fair or good or not. And yeah, you can check tags for ratings in the search here, and you can add it or insert it into your video and to make the video perform better. But as usual, guys, I always say it's very important the kind of video or type of video that you put out. If people are very much interested in watching your videos, then definitely they're gonna click, but a very good thumbnail or thumbnail also helps. So when you make all of those changes, you insert the ones that you find that is related to your video. You insert it, you're going to go back and you are going to save it to make sure that the changes are applied. And that's it, guys. So now I'm going to show you how that Scotch Bonnet video performed after I added the recent tags to it. I'm going to show you how it performed in the last 3 to 4 weeks, I think. So I added Jamaican food as one of the recent tags. Also Scotch Bonnet Pepper as recommended. And now I'm going to show you the results 3 to 4 weeks after I added that. But before we get to those results, let me show you 1 or 2 more things that's important when using Tubebuddy. There you have your video link, so you can include your video link in other videos that you have, as well as you can forward it to other people so that they can watch it. And that's very important too, to advertise within or within your own channel. You put it in the description box, and then you are and always make sure to save your changes. All right, so look at here, another benefit. You can save and publish, or you can schedule your video for another date and time, as well as you can, just go ahead and post it right away. But those are one of the benefits. Or you can put an unlisted video out to, send a link to people that you want to watch it privately, or you can just set it to public or schedule it. And then when you're done doing all of that, make sure as you go along, you save your changes, and then you want to click done, and then you're going to press on save. Make sure that you see the save section in gray mode, or that means that it is not saved. Very, very important. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the results. I'm going to be showing you the before and the after results for the Scotch Bonnet video. So previously, Atoroda was ranking 7, Scotch Bonnet 1, and Rhodo Pepper 1. And after I applied those new changes or new tags, look at what happened. Rhoda is 4, Atoroda is 4, and Scotch Bonnet Rhoda remains 1. So you tell me if you think this made a difference. Well, I'm going to love and I'll leave until another time.